Wake up, wake up, wake up. I'm Sunshine Brains with All Hustling Hope Your Radio Show, and you're watching The Breakfast Club on URTV. Let's go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. We are so excited for the Breakfast Club today. We are getting ready to trade the New York session. Now, make sure you got your phone ready with your MetaTrader 4 so that you can go ahead and put in these trades. If you're new to the world of trading, I encourage you to demo. Those of you who don't know me, I am Dr. L.A. Payne, the founder of Black Forex Stock Traders, and you are watching the Breakfast Club with Dr. L.A. and the Pip Master. Good morning, Pip Master. How are you?
Good morning, Dr. L.A. Payne. I'm great. How are you doing this morning?
I'm good. It seems like you have two devices because I heard myself when I was talking to you.
That would be a no.
Oh, well, is my device playing two times?
That would be a yes.
Okay, whatever. No, it is not. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Dr. L.A. Payne. You look vibrant. I mean, for someone who is in the L.A. area, it's very early in the morning over there. You look very vibrant. Like,
I think you mean in California because I am in the Bay. I'm not in L.A. today.
Whatever.
I'm in the Bay. Okay, it's 5 hours. It's a 5 hour difference. Non-Cali people.
It's not the same.
Northern and Southern California are not the same. Do not tell people that. They will have a fit.
Oh,
you know what? Whatever. That's the Army and the Navy is the same, okay?
Oh, you need to change your name to Dr. Bay Payne, not Dr. L.A.
Whatever.
Even though those are your initials.
Name. Exactly. Those are the real initials of my name. All right. Did you go to the gym this morning?
No, today is a rest day. I've been going strong.
Wasn't yesterday a rest day? It seems to me like you're getting a lot of rest.
Excuse me, pardon me. No, I went to the gym last night. I went to the gym yesterday. I mean,
today is right. Okay, yeah. All right. You can rest. How long are you gonna rest? Did you make breakfast? What's for breakfast?
I didn't make breakfast yet.
Oh,
well, I'm so behind. Behind. Today was like slug bug day. I felt like I was moving at a snail's pace, like literally.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
well,
you know, I have those days every now and then. I really just wanted to sleep in, but someone named Dr. L.A. Payne would let me.
Blowing up that phone. Good morning. Right. Good morning. You know what? First of all, you text me first this morning, okay?
Yeah.
So, yes, you did. All right.
Murphy?
Oh, whatever. I'm glad that you're awake. And you know what? You should be awake because you're 3 freaking hours ahead of me. How about that?
Hater.
I'm the one who should be asleep. I'm the one who has to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, okay?
Amen.
Anyway, so I'm glad that you're awake. Have you had a chance to look at the charts, and are you in any trades yet?
I am in the Nas only right now, believe it or not. I haven't looked at the charts. My US30 trades have already hit.
That part.
Yeah, so
let's look at you. Is it US30 buying or selling? What is the movement of US30 this morning?
All right, you ready? Or you want me to
pull it up? No, I don't want your okay. Oh, what is going on? This is going both ways around here, but it looks like the market is dropping, eh?
The market has dropped, but it's not dramatic.
It's not dramatic. No, it's not dramatic.
No. Nas dropped too. I mean, but it's a reset. It's still in the 900s. That's not a drop.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I guess it depends on where you got in at. I guess it depends on your position. Good morning, Facebook world, guys. Let us know that you're out there. Go ahead and type good morning in the comments. Let's get our mind right before the Pip Master gives us his analysis. Those of you who are new, we're going to be trading US30, Nas100, silver, and XRP. Now, before you do anything, you got to get your mind right, and you have to have a target, okay? So for new traders, we recommend that you be at about maybe $50. I don't know. Trading is personal. My goal is $100. Now, everybody needs to create your own goal. And can you drop it in the comments? We can see the comments. What is your goal? My hashtag today is 100 for the New York session. In and out, simple and easy and not greasy. Something is giving me a background. You say it's not your, but I do hear a little background.
Okay, let's try this. Let me see this. Let me see. I do have try that.
Okay, let me see. Oh, I don't hear myself anymore.
Okay, so I have my Bose
Oh,
speaker on, my Bose.
oh, that's surround sound.
Yeah. And I
Yes.
want to hear your voice. It's surround sound, baby.
I'm like, no, I know I'm not crazy. I'm hearing myself in my ear. Okay,
Let me
cool
do an age
beans.
check. Let me do an age check. I wanted to do it live and in Memorex.
Oh, right. Well, thank you, sir. Okay, guys, go ahead. I'm seeing you dropping yours. Hashtag 100. What's your goal? What's your goal? Let's be intentional. Some of you get discouraged because it's like, oh my gosh, I lost some money. And let me tell you something, that's just a part of life. The market is going to go up and the market is going to go down. But I'm not going to let losses keep me from making hundreds, keep me from
Right.
making thousands, keep me from making tens of thousands, keep me from paying cash for things, keep me from going to a 9 to 5. How about that? So you really, and I say that in all humility, you really got to be focused and you got to be disciplined. And I know some of you are working right now, and so I completely respect that. But those of you who can, you still have to create a schedule, right? You still have to create a schedule and make time to develop the skill. Now, we don't want to waste no time now, do we? Because the bell is getting ready to ring. Those of you who don't know, we trade the New York bell, and it's going to ring in about 20 minutes, and the market is going to do some incredible things. And we want to catch that. So the first thing I want you to do is get your mind right so that you're ready, okay? And then make a goal. All right, set your goal and then follow instructions. Okay, now trading is personal. We're not telling anybody what to do. We're having a conversation out loud about what we're getting ready to do. So I'm going to let the pip master, he is a beast on these charts, take some notes, give us an analysis, and then we're ready to go. Go ahead. I'm going to fade to.
All right. All right. Well, here I am, guys. I am the Pip Master, and I'm about to give you drop some knowledge and skills on you on what I see the market is going to do. So here we are, US30. So every day, the market does this reset of some sort. Today, after yesterday's buy up, US30 like sold down, but then it kind of like stagnated for a while. So let me go to a higher time frame so you can see what I'm talking about. So it stagnated for a while. Um, this was yesterday's move. Boom, boom, boom. Then it came down and it stayed in this zone and it hit the bottom of my channel like clockwork, right? So once it bounces off that channel, it likes to run right back up. Now it has to run through all of this Fibonacci to come back up to at least the 34,981 range, and possibly it may target 34,995. It may target 35,000 today. I'm not exactly sure, but if you look at what it's doing on the 15-minute chart, it's trying to set higher highs. All right, can you see that, or is it just me? All right, it goes from here to here. Let me draw. Y'all know I like to draw. So it basically did this move, then this move, then this move, then this move. This move skipped a beat. It went down to the baseline. Now it's got to come up. You see my curvature? Okay, don't worry about my curvature. It's got to come up to at least this level, bust the high, if it decides that it wants to set another high. Why? Because it's on a scale right now. That's what I call a scale. And if you look at it, let me see if I can minimize this a little bit more for you. Oh, wow. Well, look at y'all. Well, look at that. Bam, 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 and missed it here. Bam, it got it here. Bam. So it may come to this point first before it comes back down to touch the baseline to shoot up higher. Okay. If it breaks my trend lines, right? Then we're looking for it to come all the way down to 34,536. And if it's serious about coming down, it's going to meet this level and come down to 34,237. So let's look at one other chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, which I absolutely love. This is the chart that I do most of my plotting on and my analyzing, right? I analyze off the 4-hour chart. So I'm looking for it to do the same motion, right? It did it here, right? So it stayed in the trend lines, it stayed in the trend, then it dropped, right? Then it dropped some more and established a new trend line. Now it's in this level of the trend, okay? Now, if it drops again like it did here, right, which is imminent, if it drops again like it did here, we're looking for it to hit, like I said, this range, 34.5, 34.6, somewhere up in this range, okay? And if it does go through that and hit this 200, I think this is my actual 200 line. If it hits my 200 and busts through my 200, then we can look for it to come down to 34, 237. I don't see it coming all the way down to this area, right? This is part of my chart markup, but that is my analysis for the morning. Opening bell, I believe it's going to, let's look at the 1 minute chart real quick. Yeah. All right. Opening bell, I believe we're going to get a little buy action.
All right. A little buy action.
That is my analysis. Dr. LA, it's on you.
All right, no problem. All right, I'm going to do my analysis, but we do have Kim out there, and Kim is going to give us her analysis for XRP. Those of you who aren't familiar with XRP is your friend. All right, Kim, are you ready? Welcome to the show. Happy Thursday, guys. Kim is one of our crypto leaders, and she leads sessions, live sessions on Friday nights. You guys can check Kim out and get in some XRP trades. How you feeling, Kim?
I am wonderful. Thank you for having me. Hey, Black Forex Stock Traders.
We're glad that you are here. This is her first time being live, so I know she's like, can they see me? Am I all right, baby? It's all good. Trust me, I'll tell you good. All right. You can go ahead and give us your analysis. All right. I'm going to put the spotlight on you.
All right. So XRP is more than a friend. XRP is Bay. Because
right,
Bay pays bills. You know, Bay pays bills. Bay takes you out. Bay lets you live the life that you need to live. So XRP moves 24/7. And right now I'm in a buy. So, but she wants to sell. So we're looking out of all of my indicators, we are reaching a line of resistance right now at the 0.59264 area. So she's come down, she met it, and now she's trying to reach it again. And on my higher time frames, she's at the bottom of my RSI. So that just tells me that she's about to bounce up. So it's the weekend starting. It's Thursday, that's when she starts moving and grooving.
So cryptos have nice movement on the weekend, be it up or be it down. Don't be discouraged, guys. That's all about the market. Pitmaster, please check the chat. Please take the chat in the StreamYard. Okay, let me have a look right quick. I want to look at this with you. 1 second. All right, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead. Oh, yes, honey. This is definitely getting ready to sell like hotcakes. Okay, look at that drop that we have going here. But do you see my beautiful letters? Oh my gosh, you guys know that I love that U, right? This is the upside down U, the M and the W. Look at this thing right here. It's beautiful. So Kim, I got her dropping at least all the way down to 26.205. Okay, and this is on the 1 minute chart. So she's got to come here. If she pushes past here, she's going to come into this level here. Okay, which is going to be about 26.19. Oh, you know what? We need to not miss this money. This is silver money. You know, I just looked at the X and thought I was on the right thing, but they're both kind of parallel. Do you see how they're parallel? If you guys are not adding RSI, please make sure that you're adding the RSI to your screen, okay? So yes. I'm sorry. Back to XRP. So yes. Coming down here, I have her coming to about 0.5966, and then again coming down to 0.5961. Let's look at it on a higher time frame for her buy action. Yeah. Well, once she comes down here on the higher time frame, she should be ready to turn back around and come back up to 61114. And then, you know, through these different levels, these levels make a world of difference, guys, in your trading. And I love it. All right, Pitmaster, I'm going to look back over here again at US30. We got about 10 minutes before US30 comes in. So right now, yes, I do see XRP is selling. It does look like that XRP is going to maybe close this gap and come all the way down here. Pitmaster, were you able to get my message? Can you hear me? Yarnell?
Yes, I can hear you, but I can't get it because it's double. It's doubling for some reason. I can't get it.
Oh, it's doubling.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
like double echo.
Oh, you weren't able to turn it down?
No, I didn't see a volume for that by itself.
Oh, no, you do that from your phone. So you just turn it down from your phone.
Also, do it on the phone.
Yeah,
And
I would just do it on my phone and then they
okay,
can hear you. You see what I'm saying?
okay,
And then
all right.
there's nothing we need to hear there. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to add this RSI here, guys, really quickly and have a look here. All right. Ooh, I think I just added RSI 2 times. Didn't mean to do that. All right. And just make sure we turn that audio down. All right, very good. Okay, guys, so let's have a quick look for a shorter time frame for US30. And again, US30 is right now selling. Now, you know I like the U shape. Why do I like this? Because typically if it makes a perfect U, especially for the sale, it's going to push down some more. We typically can get an extra 30 to 50 points, which is about 500 pips. Okay, it's a beautiful thing. The market is going to slow down right now. That was a little echo coming in. It's gone now. Okay, the market is going to slow down right now because make my brain work. The market is going to slow down right now because the bell is getting ready to ring. Okay, so that is going to be just fine. Nas is doing the same thing as US30, as you can see, making a U, but US30 is like a beautiful U. But we got a little bit of consolidation here. We definitely have a hook here, and this hook means that it's going to push back up. Okay, let me have a look at silver. Ooh, goodness gracious. Did anybody talk to me in the comments? Did anybody get some of these silver pips? Guys, let me tell you something. West Coast, 4 a.m. is the time to be trading. Okay, 4 a.m. on the West Coast. You can change that to your time zone. Convert that 6 Central, 7 Eastern, because the market is moving. And look at this. This is a nice push up. Honey, that is money. Yes. All right. Now look here. We got an M coming in here. So I like this. We got some resistance going here with Nas. Okay. We got some resistance at 909. But if she pushes through, then we know she can come all the way down here. So Nas again and US30 are similar to each other. So US30 is now consolidating. So we want to see what US30 is getting ready to do to see if she's going to go ahead and push up. Yeah. I hope that makes some sense for right now. So where are we looking for her to go? All right, well, let's talk about it. If she's going to turn around and buy up, I would buy her up to here, to be quite honest with you, 34806. If you wanted to make an analysis to see if you agree or not, I would watch her to 34806 on the buy up. Okay. And on the sell down, I would want to see her go past 34762. 34762. So when the market starts moving, me and the pit master and Kim, we'll let you know if we're feeling it. All right. And if we're feeling it, then we're going to go ahead and hop in. Pit master, are you feeling it? Because you said you might be feeling that vibe.
Yes, I am looking at it. It's humping, man. It's doing this head and shoulders that I didn't see happening right now. But hey, I'm still looking forward to do a little action. I could be remiss in the words of buying right this minute. It looks like it wants to actually sell down back to the well, I gave both analysis. I gave one that it can come back down to the my trend line and then shoot back up. But it looked like it wanted to buy up at the bell, but we only have 7 minutes.
We got 7 minutes. In the chat that we're live in, can you do me a favor and unmute yourself?
In this chat.
Oh, this is strong right here. Oh, you forgot to turn it down?
It's all the way down, and it still gives me feedback.
Oh, that's kind of weird. I said that. Can you guys hear me 2 times? I wonder, can they hear me 2 times? Out there in Facebook world, I'm wondering if they heard me 2 times or if it was okay. All right. Well, I guess when I'm speaking, when you're speaking, I'm going to mute. Okay? Okay. So that we don't have that 2 times.
So do I need to mute this other one when I'm speaking?
Oh my gosh, this is becoming too much brain work, isn't it? Let's not worry about it right now. How about that?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good, because the bell's about to ring.
Yeah, we were fine yesterday, though, right?
Uh-huh.
So I wonder what's the difference. Okay.
The difference is we weren't live in 2 places, and right now we're live in 2 places. It's okay.
All right.
Yeah, it's cool. Don't worry. All right, go ahead. So we're saying that you want this thing to buy up.
I do.
She's pushing. I like to look at her from 6 a.m.
Yeah, I do. I'm looking at where she should be going based on where she is in the RSI and just overall market movement, but from the higher time frame, of course.
Gotcha. All right. Well, guys, you're seeing where we're moving right here. Our ideas as to far what we're thinking, we've already sent them out in NOC. So that is our premium group. So NOC, you have your numbers. If you're in Facebook comments, can you please let me know that you're in? If you're, look at this right here. Look at this push, ladies and gentlemen. We've got 4 minutes. So it's going to be interesting because if she's going to buy down, she's going to do a drop. Pay attention to your RSI. Pay attention to your RSI. She's going to drop. So those of you who are like, oh my gosh, she's selling, I want to get in for a sell. I wouldn't do that because look at that RSI. Okay. What does that mean? This means, let me highlight this so that we're seeing the same thing at the same time. Okay. This means, let me pick something different. No, I don't like that. All right, there we go. Okay, so what this means here is that when this is going down here, it goes out of that purple, guys. It's going to have to come back in, okay? But I want my purple to be really clear. There, now you can see my purple, all right? So if this goes down here, honey, it can't hang out outside the purple. I always say it's like hot coals, you see? So the closer it gets to the bottom or the top, it has to turn around. It can only hang out in the purple. It's like a little game. So when you see it coming down here, it's all bad. What are we about to say, Pitmaster?
Let's see what you're looking at there.
What do you mean, let's see? You can't see my screen?
No.
Oh, well, how long was it going to be before you tell me that people couldn't see my screen?
Now?
But it says that I'm sharing my screen.
You are in the flow. I didn't interrupt.
But it says that I'm sharing my screen.
Now you are.
What in the world?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I was showing you the RSI and it was all the way down here and I didn't know you couldn't see. Okay, now you can see. So yeah, if it comes down here outside of this purple, it's got to come back up, okay? So we're getting our dojis. The bell is getting ready to ring. Get your trigger fingers ready. I mean, for however you're going to make your decisions for your life. Your choice. We're just sharing with you what we're doing and how we operate. Yeah. All right. So I'm looking at US30. And then let's go back over here to XRP. Oh, Kim, look at that. XRP is on the move. XRP is coming down to 5917. All right. XRP is coming down to 5917. And then I want to pull up US30 for KOT in 1 second, and then NAS, because I want to look at them at the same time. All right, let's check in with the DIY investment diva. Let's see if she is out there and if she's ready to get in some trades. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm 2 minutes ready. I am 2 minutes ready.
Well, let's go. Let's run the play. I want to definitely make sure that I pull up this other chart so that I can see US30 on KOT. All right, we're looking, US30 is giving us sale momentum. Again, she's out here playing in the RSI. I am personally would not get in the sale. Trading is personal, so people are different. But because this RSI is so low, I'm good. I'm going to wait and watch the market do what it does. Somebody got in the trade, though. Did you get some money?
I just opened up my chart.
Somebody gave us that dun dun dun. Oh yes. Okay, so if she does a nice little push down on KOT, she's going to probably drop a little bit lower. I would say maybe about 20 pips lower down before she turns around. Okay, so we got some good movement happening here on US30.
Oh, yes, about.
Oh, there we go.
Uh-oh.
Look. Hey! All right. Why are we excited? Because it did what we just said it was gonna do. If that thing dropped down here, we got that hook. And
Sorry.
excuse me, stop talking. There's nothing to talk about. Okay, make your decisions.
Decision made and executed.
Decision made and executed. Look at Sally one. Look at Sally one. Bam, baby. Yeah.
Can I get the bam?
How about that? Yes.
I dropped those numbers for you early.
Yes, indeed. Yes,
Come on,
indeed.
who got paid? Let's know. We just wondering who did that work out in your favor?
Wow.
Yes,
in
Lord.
that many seconds. I don't know about you, but I just hit half my goal.
Nice.
Bam, bam, bam. All right, baby, let's go.
Woo, look at
All
that
right,
shoot.
Exactly. Let her pull back. Look at her. She's high. She's got to pull back. We are on the
Okay.
1 minute chart. Trading US30 does some incredible things. Does
Look
some
at
incredible
silver.
things.
Look at silver.
Oh my gosh. Silver.
She just went from the bottom of the RSI all the way to the top. I just want to let you know.
In one candle move. Oh gosh, look at silver. Goodness gracious.
Silver.
XRP is still selling. Nas100 is selling. Let's go. It's like it's off to the races, guys. We're off to the races. Look at it, baby. Look at it, baby. All right. Running that again. Pit Master. Are you giving us some advice? And look at Nas. Look at okay. I don't know if you're already in an ass, but I am. I need my money. I need my money. I don't know about you, but I need it, baby. Yes. Okay. This is the part where you watch the charts and you make your own decision. Those of us, yes, Nas hit, 30 hit. Come on, talk to me in the comments, Facebook. Let's go. NOC, talk to me. How are you doing out there? You should be doing quite well. Yes. How we go? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Neezy, did you where are we with this?
Coming.
All right, so I just made a hook.
You just made a what?
A hook.
Oh, all right. So I made a hook. Very good. Where is Kim? All right. 1 second, guys. I have like 3 million screens. Yeah. Forgive me. Oh, goodness gracious. 3 million screens. All right, Kim, how you doing out there?
I am wonderful, wonderful. Just watching XRP sale here. I dropped the zone in the NOC chat for everybody. I dropped my Hugo's Way number and the KOT number. So adjust accordingly, and we're going to sell down, and then we're going to rise up. So I'm waiting on
all right. Moving and grooving. Oh, bam. My US30 hit again. Let's go. All right. I don't know about you guys. I'm very close to my goal. I'm very close to being done. Very close to be done. Okay, I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to give you guys some advice. Oh, yeah. Let her pull back, though, is what I'm personally going to do. Okay, you guys do, your own situation. I'm going to let her pull back. Look how high she is so that she can push. Look at that. Look at this, guys. If you have never traded the New York session before, you have got to start trading the New York session because it is a beautiful time of day. And guess what? It's every day.
Well, a beautiful part about it is literally in the analysis that I gave this morning. I gave this as
you sure did
872, right, as one of the hit zones, and of course my next one was the 34,981 zone area that she can go to.
Yes.
Right? So I mean, it's like a beautiful thing to see it just hitting support, resistance, support.
It is, right? And it's beautiful to see it doing exactly what we said, right? Yeah. Way out here in the RSI, has to pull back. Like I said, let her pull back, baby. Let her pull back. And then let her run up.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Yes, it is. See, and this right here, I'm not having no heart attack. If you got it for a body, like, oh my God, it's about to sell. I don't care. She got to sell. That's the only way that she can go higher. That's the only way that happens, Blue. Beautiful thing. So let's watch and see what she does here. All right. Are you guys able to manage your? Oh, goodness. Do y'all see this thing that fell off my screen? Look at your friend Nas.
Wow.
This thing that fell off the screen all the way. Let's go. If you're in the comments and you're having a good day, let me see those beautiful emojis. Let me see those beautiful gifts in the comments. We want to know how you're doing out there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So back on US30, she is giving us her doji, but as you can see, the RSI is starting to hook. Let's see. She may form, hit this 50 and go back up. Let's see what she's getting ready to do. Nas for sure is selling. Okay. There's no confusion. Nas is dropping very low. No confusion about that. 1 second here. 1 second here. Nas is dropping low. This one is on for US30.
I dropped it.
All right, pay attention. Please let us know who's in the Facebook comments. Your next idea has been shared. Who's in? Who's in? Who's in? Who's in? Let's go. Let's go. Nas is falling from the straight sky. Okay. I want to give I want to give some ideas on this one. Look at this is going. Oh, okay. So you see right here is Nas's resistance. It's pushing to that area. Okay, so Pip Master is watching 30. Somebody's giving me a little bit of an echo. Master is watching 30. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to focus on Nas right quick and give you some things that you might want to consider when analyzing your Nas charts, okay? How are you doing over there, DIY Investment Diva?
Oh, doing just great. Putting in this trade, all right.
All right. Yeah, we got these things are incredible right now, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible. All right, let me see what's going on here. 1 second. How are you doing, Kim? How's it going?
Everything's good. Just looking at XRP on the hour chart. We got a little pullback, but I still think we're going to sell down to at least 589 and then bounce up. So just in a little hesitation right now.
Got you. Okay, no worries. Now I'm looking at Nas on KOT, ladies and gentlemen, and we are in a major resistance area for Nas for that sale down. So we need to see. Let me go to a higher time frame right quick. Yeah, you see this? You guys see all this resistance? So she may close this gap. She's definitely gonna try. Okay, definitely gonna try. So we want to see if she's gonna come past this area. I would hold up on Nas until she makes it past the resistance area. All right. Talk to us in the Facebook comments and let us know how you're doing. My US30 is my friend. It just paid me again. All right. So remember what I said, had to push back so that she can come back up again. One thing I love about US30, when you see these dojis always mean shoot. That the market is getting ready to shoot up. So that's what I love about it. Okay. I'm about 3 trades away from where I need to be. So let me look really quickly.
Oh, yeah, it's consolidating. Staying in the zone.
Oh, and in the zone. We like zones, don't we?
Yep. We most certainly do.
All right, very good. Oh, goodness gracious. Do y'all see the candle on Nas on the 15-minute chart? I mean, goodness gracious. This is just sickening, isn't it? For that sale, that thing is pushing, guys. This thing is it's pushing. 1 second. Let me see. She's coming right back down on KOT. It looks like she's trying to come to 14,805 on KOT. Yep. Looks like she's trying to come to 14,805.
And on FX, 14,796 area.
Yep. And that's really about maybe 10 points from where we are right now. All right.
Really nice.
And pushing hard, like she's listening to Salt and Pepper. Ooh, coming on down. Look at that push. Let me show y'all what it looked like on the minute chart. Yes. Now, one thing I like to tell people to make sure that you do is I like to put a horizontal line in here. All right. There's a horizontal line. And if she pushes past this horizontal line 9 times out of 10, I don't stress myself. She will continue to go and pay. Yes, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. A beautiful thing. Ooh, running. Here she go. You see that push right here? Look at it. Look at that. Push, push, push. Yes.
US30 is following her now.
Oh, are they in the same boat?
Oh, yeah, they're in the same boat. US30 is pushing.
Yes, she is.
Let me look at it right quick. Oh, yeah, she's going to make her little. Well, we know she's got to come to the 50. Let's see what she wants to do in the 50. Nas is going both ways, though. Looks like she's pushing down and then pulling back because she's got a hardcore resistance right in this area. Right in this area. It's very, you see here? Definitely. But she 9 times out of 10, she's got to close this. We call this wick here a gap. So 9 times out of 10, she's got to close that gap, okay? And she got about 10 more minutes to run. I mean, that was a strong candle. And we're sure that no news affected that. Did any news affect that? Let's check this really quickly.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Today is Thursday, 9:30 a.m. Yeah, we don't have anything popping off right now. Guys, please, please, please always make sure that you check the news because it does affect the market. All right. And now she's pulling back on this candle. All right. And now it looks like she wants to turn. So let's see how serious she is about that. Let me add the RSI so that you can see. Yeah, she's way oversold. Mm-hmm. So what we want to see is that Nas is going to come back up here and then push back down. Okay. Let's give that a second. Let's give them a moment to kind of mellow out. Yeah. And see what they are going to do. I'm just getting ready to drop something.
Oh,
that's what I was getting ready to drop. Is the news so that everybody is aware of where they can find the news. All right. Very good. Very good. You got that. So let's see if this is a buy up. I don't believe her. She's getting ready to turn around. If she's going to buy up, she's going to push through this blue line. But I do believe that she's just pushing up now so that she can turn around and push back down. It's so exciting. I love what we do. I love to watch this market run up and down. When she's being quiet, I don't like it. I don't like it when it's just like we're twiddling our thumbs. Look, doji. Doji always means a reversal. And so as you can see right now, that's what Nas is giving us. All right. US30 is making her U, but like when she does this is to me, I kind of see like a ballerina, you know, how like they hold themselves out like that with their posture because she's going up. Watch.
That's you see a ballerina.
Yes, I do. I see a ballerina. You know that me and the DIY investment diva, that's our life in production. And we have a dance studio in Atlanta, and I see them holding their posture like this with Miss Summer. Yeah. And really? So I see her, this is the hump. And this is that hope, you know, when they have to, I don't know. I'm sure I'm doing it wrong because I'm not a dancer. But I do see that arm coming up. I see that arm coming up. I see it. That's what I see. What do you see? Shrimp and grits? Well, no, that's because he loves cooking. That's why I'm saying that. And I love the art. So maybe that's why I see art, because I love the art. So I'm saying maybe you see this is the grits and these are, you know what, whatever. You get up my nerves.
I'm looking for it. I'm trying.
First of all, I'm seeing the image before it has formed.
She is seeing the emotions. She's seeing the emotions. She feels grace in US30, and so she's seeing the emotion.
I'm seeing her curve her arm, and she gonna come up. You're gonna see a ballerina when she turns. Now that's a strong push down. Hold up here. This one is consolidating for a second. All right, very good, very good. We're moving and grooving here. We're moving and grooving. All right, this is still coming through here. I want to look at both my KOT charts. Okay, they're giving us a little bit of a little consolidation right here. So I think that's cool.
Sorry.
Go ahead. No. You go ahead.
We're about to get a new candle on the NAS on the 15-minute chart. Mm-hmm. So that's really going to be a great determining factor if it's going to push down to the 200 or if it's going to go ahead and press above, the 800 and press above, or if it's going to come down and tap those numbers that we both gave.
Yep.
This is the 15-minute candle. This next one is going to determine that movement, whether it's going to be another.
Oh my gosh, but look at the 15-minute candle. Do you guys see this? When I see this, this tells me girlfriend is getting ready to buy up because she got to close this gap with these wicks. Look at this wick here. She did all of this and they were like, oh my gosh, no, she's about to buy. No, baby, she's going to close this gap. She's got to buy up enough to drop down. And did she close the gap? Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Well, go ahead and pay, baby. Pay the people what they came for. Yes. I feel strongly about it. And on the 15-minute chart, there you go. When we get those solid bottoms on the 15-minute chart, oh, it's golden. Kim is golden. It's golden. Kim, are you only over the? Oh, look at this. Kim made a beautiful U on XRP.
Yes, we are in profit. We should be in nice profit.
Yes, you should be. This is beautiful. Now, again, she's got some things to close, but her resistance area on XRP, guys, is going to be 59.15 before she comes to close the gap at 58.58. What's your TP, Kim?
Right now, we're just doing a zone of just 0.59.
Okay. So you're just going back and forth on a zone. Okay, very good. Very good. All right. So that is the zone that Kim is practicing with her learners so they can practice getting in and out of trades. And new learners, you should always be using your demo. I always say that. I know people are grown and you're going to do what you want to do. But I do say that as a word of encouragement. Until you get it down pat. I recommend, people are like, how many trades should I get right? Well, I say 100% is where you want to be. All right, we'll take 9 out of 10. All right, Nas is giving us a buy up right here, push. We got a flat bottom there. We got a flat bottom here on a 15-minute chart. Now, how do you feel about that flat bottom, Pitmaster, on 15? Oh, goodness gracious. You don't see the dancer. You don't see her curving her body, okay? And her leg and her arm is coming up. Yes, I see it. Oh, yes, I see it. I see it. Now, let me make sure.
Giving you A-Lee action.
Yes, darling. Yes, I see it so much. I'm going to participate. 1 second.
I am participating.
Yes, darling. Yes.
Well, I gave some information. I gave some numbers in our little chat here. And those are 2 zones. I just see those zones going crazy today.
Oh, you see them going crazy.
Yeah, I do. However, and I'm talking US30, of course. Nas, please go ahead and do what you're going to do. I appreciate you.
That's fine.
US30, it's very, very interesting because what did it do again? On my hour chart, it hit the bottom of the channel and now it bounced and is shooting back up again. So it's just going again. Remember, I said this earlier. I said it's going through support resistance. It's just playing a support resistance game. So I'm not getting overexcited to think the sucker's going to melt down or anything. It's just doing what it does, right?
Right. Yeah.
But with that, it also will continue to peak because it's trying its best to complete the channel. Like the channel is not complete. If it does not complete the channel, if it busts at the bottom of the channel, then you know it's going to go ahead and push down hard. But as it's still staying in the channel, you can continue to capitalize on like 10, 20, 30 pip moves within the channel. And that's what we're doing. We're capitalizing on those moves within the channel.
Well, so that's what I was just asking you. I had said, what is it more than one, or are we looking at one zone right now? 2.
We're
looking at 2 zones. Okay, so those are zones.
Yeah, those are zones.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, very good. So we're looking at zones. Very good. I just wanted to be clear on that.
Okay.
Someone was asking about Nas. Nas is making a U. She's going to hit this 50. So we're going to see what Nas is going to do. Yeah, we're used to Nas going both ways, though. So we are going to see right now, Nas is for sure buying up. The person who just asked me that. We're going to see if Nas is going to hit this and turn around. She does look like she has some more buy life in her. Let me look at Nas on the KOT chart right quick.
Nas is interesting.
Oh, as always, as ever. Nas, oh, that's US30 I'm looking at. No, I'm not really worried about Nas, actually. She's giving us some push momentum. She is. I'm not terribly worried about her. Not terribly worried. We'll see. I need to see what she does when she gets to her resistance. Not worried. Oh, look at this one right here. It's making an M. Now she's making an M. Now I need her to move up to make my ballerina. If she doesn't move up, then she's a ballerina. I mean, if she does. I said if she doesn't. Okay, let's see. Yeah, girlfriend has some resistance here. All right, and XRP just moved really nicely.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, I was looking at XRP on the 1 hour chart too. Okay, very good, very good, very good. All right, so they look like they want to go into a little bit of a consolidation piece right now. Even though NAS is kind of consistent, we need to see if her momentum will slow down, if she's going to continue to go. And then US30 is giving us a doji. All right, so let's hold up for a second and see which direction they move in. And then up, there's another push. You know, she keeps coming to this place. And so that goes back to everything you said about the zone, right?
Yeah.
She keeps coming back and forth to this place right here.
Yeah. I'm going to give one more. After this zone, I'm going to give one more that I see happening, like going crazy in this zone right here.
Yep. All right.
Yeah, let me get this last zone. I see it.
You see in that one more zone. All right, well, let's go ahead with that zone, and then we'll just verify all three zones, and then we'll go from there. Let's move on right quickly to hot topics, because I do want to see what this is going to do before we transition. Now, guys, today we got some fake news on hot topics. So give me 1 second, and let's find out from the DIY Investment Diva what is going on in the world of hot topics today.
All right, guys, it's the DIY Investment Diva serving you the hot topics for today. Now, over the weekend, there was news in the Twitterverse, cyber Twitter, that they're purchasing $2.5 billion of Bitcoin, and it was supposed to happen on Monday the 12th. Good morning, and boy, do I have a hot topic for you. So, this past weekend, there were talks around the Twitterverse about Apple purchasing $2.5 billion of Bitcoin, and it was supposed to happen on Monday the 12th. Well, did it happen? Drum roll. No. Okay. These were absolutely fictitious rumors. Okay. Apple did not purchase $2.5 billion. And I can only speculate that these rumors started because back in, February, when Elon Musk purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, it definitely took a shoot to 20% of gains. And then that, I think right after that, that's when it hit its all-time high in April of that $65,000. So maybe it was our buddies in the world of crypto just trying to give Bitcoin a little boost by passing on this fictitious rumor, but it was absolutely, positively not a fact. Okay, it was false. Apple did not purchase $2.5 billion in Bitcoin on Monday. Will they? Might be a good move. All right, guys. Until next time, I've got hot topics for you.
All right, that was great. Okay, thanks for sharing us those hot topics. And I think that is really, really important that people understand, that we have to fact check things. And I think what was interesting about that was, the fake account. And there are so many people being cloned right now with all of these fake accounts, and somebody was talking about it yesterday, and I was like, that's fake news. Like,
yeah, the account was like top post from Elon Musk. It was named like Elon, but it was completely not a Elon account.
Exactly. And then, and it wasn't an Apple account. Let's go there. Let's just go one step further. And
right.
And why is it any of your business publicly with how many Bitcoin Apple is getting ready to buy? Like,
exactly.
Like, I would like to see something that says information leaked or something like that to make it more reliable.
Now, one of the cool things was that there was a financial analyst that said that if Apple did, in fact, decide to open up crypto into their Apple Pay wallet, that they could stand to make about $40 million extra dollars a year. He said it would be a smarter move than even trying to do the Apple Card that they're trying to make. It would gross more money for them to actually create a crypto platform or accept it in their Apple wallet. So I thought that was a pretty interesting thing that came about because of the fake news.
Right.
It's fake news. It's fake news.
All right, guys. Well, the market is for sure consolidating right now on us. Okay, it's taking a little breather, but we have some areas that we're going to continue to check out. Those of you who have set your goals, remember to keep your goals so that your goals are met within the morning. The market tends to take like a little bit of a break right now, and then it picks back up in about an hour or two. Okay. Did anybody hit their goals? Anybody halfway there, 30% there? Where are y'all? Talk to us in the Facebook comments. We do hope that the information that you had this morning is helpful. Those of you who have those zones, we definitely want to make sure that you're checking out zones, because zones will definitely help you meet your goal, because that's where price is gonna say. Hey, Pitmaster, what you got?
Hey. I always got something to say, just like Fat Albert. Check it out. So again, guys, it's very important that you mark up your charts. We're going to talk about that one of these sessions. We're going to talk about marking up your charts. Why? The way Dr. LA is able to do what she does, she marks up her charts. You can see it's obvious, right? She always says, when it comes below this line, or it goes above this line, right? And what does it do? It does exactly that. Why? Because she's done a proper chart analysis by marking up her charts. So it's very, very imperative that you mark up your charts. Yes, some of you can look at a naked chart and be able to determine movement. But if you really want to capitalize on meeting your goals, mark up your charts and you can actually see, the EKG, which way the EKG machine is going to swing. So that's my 2 cents for the day. Hopefully you guys got something out of it, and happy trading. I'm the
Happy Chef Darneezy, the Pitmaster. Thank you so much, Pitmaster. Thank you so much, DIY Investment Diva. And thank you so much, Kim. We really appreciate you all sharing your knowledge and your expertise with us today. It is always a pleasure. Guys, we hope that you were able to get something out of the session today. We hope that you're able to mark up your charts and that you're able to look at these zones and that you really see the value of being able to trade these things. Okay, guys, because they really go in your favor the majority of the time, not all the time, but it's really like playing double dutch to me, right? You want to know when to jump in and out of the rope. So you can't do anything but perfect the skill. So we look forward to seeing you at the Breakfast Club. Tomorrow we have a private Breakfast Club session, and it is for high frequency with none other than Aisha. So we're excited about that. She's on Mondays and Fridays. So continue to look at your charts, continue to look at your zones. We are wishing you nothing but the best and that you are able to meet your goal. What's your goal? And even if you don't make your goal today, I encourage you not to give up. Stay focused. Don't let nothing stop you from being successful. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful